Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use the pre-sale method every time you want to launch a new offering or product. Now, this is helpful if you are either a new creator, first-time creator, or even already a seasoned creator. Everyone uses a pre-sale strategy because one, it gets you money, it gets you customers, and it gets you valid data in terms of customers that actually want and are curious about this new product or offering. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because oftentimes I talk to people who tell me that they built a product and they started working on a product and working on the outline, but they don't have a way of selling it. They don't know who they're going to sell it to, and they're not sure how they're pricing it. And my response is none of that really matters because you don't have customers. And so the most important thing is to go to your customers and ask them what they want. If you are new to the creator economy and starting out, what I recommend is one, build a following, grow your following. If you are not already on social media, pick a platform. You don't have to do TikTok. You don't have to do Instagram. Choose and focus on a platform where you get traction. The example I give is that when I first started, I tried everything because sometimes that's the way you know is by trying. I did Facebook Lives, Facebook groups, Instagram, and I did YouTube. Ultimately, I found that I really enjoyed YouTube. I found some traction, and that's where I consistently and mostly focus my energy on is figuring out how to make better YouTube videos to serve people. Going back to my point, pick a platform and consistently show up with reels and videos that are helping solve people's problems. If you are looking, for example, to heal people's gut issues or people's health issues or ailments, and you specialize in herbal medicine, one of the content ideas that I've seen people show different kinds of herbs that they use, how different herbs help, visuals, videos, different ways of teaching. And then they start growing their following and having a link tree, getting people to opt into a freebie/lead magnet. And the more you do this, the more you engage, the more you learn, the more you understand what your customer wants, the more you get closer to building something that people want. So now you've built a following, then you have to continually post content and engage and find out what people's problems are. As you build a following and you gain momentum, then the second step is to start putting word out about a potential course. So then you can say, hey, I've gotten so many ideas. I've gotten so much interest in this herbal medicine topic that I think it might be helpful to put together a course. Would that be something you'd want to learn or buy? If people say yes, you can ask people like, what do you want to hear about? Which topics should I cover? I've talked a lot about herbs, but do you want to hear more about how herbs work and how to prepare them? And you can start asking a lot of questions. The whole goal is really to survey and ask people questions. The more you do that, the more you get some traction with that, the more you learn what could go into your course. Then the next step is you can pre-sale this course. So you know that people now are interested, you know what topics they want to hear, and now you can start pre-selling it. So you can say, cool, I've gotten so many overwhelming responses, or I've gotten a lot of great responses, and I want to teach this live. And you can ask people what kind of time zone they prefer. But most of all, teaching it live as a pre-sale is really helpful. People really enjoy live experiences, and even though it's virtual live instead of face-to-face live, it is still very meaningful to connect with others at the same time. So then you can start adding a link and getting people to sign up for your pre-sale course. And then you get ready to teach the course. And on the day of the course, you ask permission to record it. You can send people the recording, and then you can repurpose the content from the recording into social media reels, posts, and other video tutorials to use. You always want to be repurposing content. You don't want to spend a lot of time having to create every day, but taking one piece of content, especially a long form piece of content, and repurposing it into short form as much as you can and reusing it as often as possible. Now, the cool thing is you've done a pre-sale. You've taken a deposit to secure their spot in the live herbal course, and you teach it and you find out what people want. And now you can say, after that you've taught it, you can talk about the experience. You talk about what people are hearing and learning about what you shared. And then you can rinse and repeat the same process to say, I know that many of you weren't able to sign up for the live course, but I want to offer this as a course. And if you're interested, sign up in a link, and then you can take pre-sale. You can take a waiting list so that when your product is ready, you can offer it to people already. The idea, hopefully I've conveyed this and explained this well, is that you're really securing the money before you build. Once you secure the money from a pre-sale, you can use that to drive more sales and more marketing into the actual product. And then take a wait list so that people who are interested can sign up now, and then you'll let them know in a month when the course is ready. The most important aspect of being a creator is always getting sales. The idea behind using this pre-sale method every time is that, one, it helps you secure revenue, secure money to put into and invest into the creation of the actual product, and ensures that you have customers who want the product, and three, that there is a continually interest in what you have to offer on a certain subject. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions, comments, and feedback, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.